I welcome you all in the world of creativity. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. As we all know that during this summer vacation we have to stay at home for our safety purpose due to the pandemic time of COVID-19. So how we utilize our time? Yes, we can utilize our time by doing something creative. So before starting what we are going to do, I'm going to show you something. Yes, this is the postcard and these are the postage stamps. I hope you know all about the postage stamp, and the postal system of our India is one of the important means of communication. As in the earlier days when there are no mobile phones, no telephone service, people used to write letters to their near ones and post in the letter box. So post office plays a very important role in the receiving and sending of these letters. So today we are going to design our own postage stamp. This definitely enhance our creativity to draw something. So for this you need a white paper. You can use sketch pen, you can use crayons as well. So what we have to do first, take a white paper and cut this paper into small pieces like this. These are the small pieces, and the size of the postage stamp is not larger than the passport size photograph. Okay, so you can cut the pieces. It's up to you how many postage stamps you want to draw. So after that we can draw two squares, one big and one small, and then we can design our border for our stamp. So this is up to you what you want to draw. So we can draw, as you see the postage stamp, so cut work is there, so we can draw like this, and we can also go for the small curves. It is up to you whatever you want to draw. And after that we can use black pen to highlight the border like this, as I am going to show you. Yes, so this highlight the border line. Okay, so after doing this, creating the border lines of the different pattern on different stamps, next what you have to do, you have to draw any picture in between the square. You can draw any flower, you can draw emojis, or you can draw national flag, or whatever you want to draw. You can draw the face as well. This is up to you. So I am going to show you some stamps that are created by me like this. This is the another one. I can draw the emoji. Yes, you can also draw the national flag and then the flower. Yes, and the most creative, my own postage stamp is this. What I can do in this is, that is the coin texture is here. So for this you have to make a use of a coin, put a paper on it and rub on the coin gently. Okay, after rubbing this you get texture like this. This is the coin texture. Yes, so you can draw and create your own postage stamps. So this is my collection. In the same way you can go for this and draw, and after creating or design your own postage stamp, you have to paste your stamp in your practice book. This is your practice book, page number 22, and you have to paste the postage stamp here. Space is provided to you. So I hope you like it and enjoy it. Thank you. Enjoy your summer vacations. Stay home, stay safe.